Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Regina Machuku. If today is your first time visiting my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always visiting. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this gorgeous look, how I did this cut crease eyeshadow. Keep watching. God bless you.